In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ChatGPT account step by step, the easy way. If you've been trying to get into ChatGPT and want a quick walkthrough, this guide will help you sign in whether you're using email or Google. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for ChatGPT on Google. You can simply type ChatGPT into the search bar and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official ChatGPT website at chatgpt.com. It's always important to make sure you're opening the official site so you can log in safely. When the ChatGPT homepage loads, look for the Login button. Click that button to begin the sign-in process. After you click Login, you'll see different options depending on how your account was created. If you signed up using your email address, you can choose the email method and continue from there. If you used Google to create your account, then you can log in that way instead. In this example, I'm using the Google login method, so I'll click Continue with Google. After that, a Google sign-in window will appear. Select the correct Google account that is linked to your ChatGPT profile. If you are already signed into your browser, it may show your account right away. If not, you may need to enter your email and password first. Once you choose the right account, Google will verify your login, and then it will bring you back into ChatGPT automatically. After a few seconds, you should be inside your ChatGPT dashboard, ready to start chatting, asking questions, or using any of the tools available in your account. If you run into any issues, double-check that you are using the same login method you originally used when you created the account. For example, if you registered with Google, use Google again. If you registered with email, use the email sign-in option. That small detail can save you a lot of confusion. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your ChatGPT account. It really is that simple once you know where to click. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.